WalkMe tutorial for beginners, everything you need to know. So what is WalkMe? WalkMe is a digital adoption platform designed to help users navigate and master complex softwares by providing interactive step-by-step guidances directly with the application. It's widely used for onboarding, training, and improving productivity for both employees and customers. The first one is the key features. Smart Walk-Thrus create step-by-step on-screen guides that walk users through tasks using pop-up balloons. Personalized experiences. It also has tool tips and hotspots and analytics and automation. Once you're getting started, access the web WalkMe editor, open your web app and launch the WalkMe editor. Build a smart walkthrough. Click the blue plus button and select Smart Walkthrough and name your guide. All steps by selecting elements on your app and customizing instructions. Use triggers to move users through the steps interactively. Keep flows concise, ideally 10 steps or fewer for best performance. Then save your work and publish the guide so users can see it live in your application. Subscribe